Hello friends, in this video we are going to create a stylish modern fashion store website. So look at these designs and I'm sure you are going to love the designs and your visitors are really going to make a purchase when they are coming on your store website. So this is all stunning, modern in look, unique in design and the presentation is really very modern. So we are going to use Pullingo Fashion Store WordPress theme, which is definitely an WooCommerce WordPress theme. And the Pullingo offers multiple pre-made layouts. So you can see the design and aesthetics that has been used in the theme. So I personally liked all these layouts very much. And you are also going to be convinced with all these design and styles. Yes, this is another one. It is a unique design, of course, and we can make a online store website using the Pullingo WordPress theme in just few minutes. So you don't need any technical knowledge, you don't need any developer support for doing all these things. We are going to help you in every manner, just in case if you need any support. However, you can do all these things at your own. So let us begin the installation, and Pullingo is the target WordPress theme that we are going to overview in this video. It can be bought at themeforest.net just for $59 and it has been developed by Venus Web. So okay, sorry. So they are elite author and we can expect a good design and good code quality with the theme. Okay. So without any further delay, let us start the installation and we can discuss rest of the things during the video. I have this core and press installation of WordPress and I'm using cPanel based hosting plan that you can also get through the WP Themes website. All the relevant links have been given in the video description. And in the theme pack that you'll get at themeforest.net after download. So I have this installable theme file which is showing 34 MB in size. Some bundled plugins. Let us see which plugins are here. Pullingo Plus and some more plugins. Okay, so core plugins has been supplied in the theme pack and the child theme is also included. So we are going to use this installable theme file pullingo.zip. To start the installation, we have to follow the simple steps. So we can simply start under appearance section. We have this theme option. We can add new theme here, upload theme, choose the installable theme file. That is pullingo.zip. Simply select this and click on install now. It will hardly take few seconds depending upon your host speed and hosting capacity, internet speed and also dependent factors. I wish to show you the time it is taking for me and I'm using a WordPress optimized hosting plan. It is a cPanel based hosting plan, but yes, for WooCommerce website, you can go with the Hostinger hosting. That is really very fast hosting and you can avail the Hostinger hosting plans at WP Themes website through the WP Themes website. So links has been given in the description. Theme got installed within seconds and we can check the theme details here on the theme page. Pullingo is here and if we check the details, this is version 1.0.4. So as on date, this is being the latest version and it is always recommended and important to use updated version of the theme. So let us activate the theme and upon activation, we have this screen that we can explore here. So we have to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionalities. So let us very quickly check which plugins are here. Elementor is the page builder, one-click demo import for importing demo content, content form 7 for creating forms. This is Pullingo Plus. It may be the core plugin. Pullingo Pro is also here, Pullingo Shop. So these three plugins can be considered as the main core plugins that have been developed by the theme developer itself, and it is of course pre-packed. Variation swatches for WooCommerce and we design tech Elementor add-on. WooCommerce is of course here and some enhancement plugin for WooCommerce YITH. All great, and 13 plugins are here altogether. I have selected all, selected install, clicked on apply. Let us see if this single click option to install all the plugins works. Okay, wonderful. So I can see all green marks here. So all the plugins, listed plugins has been installed successfully, and even all the plugins activated as well. So we don't need to activate the plugins event separately. So all done, and we have successfully installed the theme along with all setup plugins. So simply come to the dashboard, and on the dashboard we don't have any alert, so we can move forward regarding the demo content installation and customization. So we have new navigations here, and I'll definitely show you all these new options. And if we check our website with the theme and all setup plugins without any demo content, this is the layout. So if you are willing to create your own design with all the theme features that can be available with Pullingo, you can start here. But yes, there is no logic for creating your own design if you have such great designs with the Pullingo, and you can launch your unique, definitely unique e-commerce web fashion store website. So this is really, and all the layouts are great. So now what is next? Of course, we are going to import the demo content, and I'll find the option under appearance. It should be okay. So under appearance, we have this option import demo data, and here we have only one option. So after import this demo, you have to set up the sliders separately. Okay, so let us proceed with this. And however, there is no option to import slider, I believe, but we can check once we complete our demo content install. So demo content installation is now started, and we can check the media library and on another tab just to check if we are getting images here. We can assume we are getting all the contents. 148 media items in just 1 second. So it is amazing, and we can expect a very fast installation with this process. Okay, so cool again. And after 3 minutes, around 3 minutes, I got this message on the screen. Congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. So I'm eager to check my website. And before that, I'll check how many images we have received. 832 media items that have been supplied in the demo content. So this is really a very big number. And if we check our new website, this is here, and the amazing website is here. Without any technical effort, we have completed our installation with all set of elements, and it is really very cool. And if we check the internal pages, how many pages we have, like home pages. So I'll check all the pages, and okay, so all the home pages are here, and we can select any of these home pages, I believe. So even the sliders that we supposed to install separately had been included in the demo content, so we don't need to do any further activity regarding the demo installation. It is all complete. So we have all the home pages. Randomly I'm opening some home pages, and this is another home page. Yes, so only the images are blurred, and the original quality of images had not been supplied. Of course, we are going to upload our own images. Some images are also in good quality, but yes, just in case if you are willing to use these images, however, it may be a permission issue. So you can use the image from the original layout, like you can download the image from here and upload back to your site. So, but it is generally not recommended to use uh, images without permissions because it may be a copyright issue. Okay, so we have all this. So home 6, I this one is unique, so I can export this one as well. Home 6 I have opened, I believe. Yes, so home 6, Let me open the home 6 again. This is home 6 and something different, some different home pages here in the home 6. But yes, we have all the home pages, so we can choose any of these layouts as our target website homepage. Okay, so wonderful. We got all the content with all the elements without any doubt, and the installation remained smooth and successful. And this is the page loader. Okay, so it is also great with the scrolling, it is filling up, and all the modern facilities and features that I can see here. So if we check the product listing randomly, and it is going to the product. Okay, so it is here again. It is amazing, and the upsell feature is also here, and the cookies and the coming soon. Okay, so we can enable the store, I mean make our store live to show all the products to all visitors, and it is a very important setting regarding e-commerce store using WooCommerce. So you need to make it live to show your products to all visitors once you complete your website, of course. So now we can conclude that we have successfully installed the theme with all set of demo, and the installation remains successful, smooth, and we got all the content without any error or hassle. So you can go with this theme. So it is now recommended from our side. So it is available just for $59, and you are going to get this modern website, modern WordPress theme for a perfect modern website like any of these. So we have multiple options, and documentation is also a part of theme pack. And just in case if you have any question regarding the theme installation, you need any support, don't hesitate in asking question on this live chat or iCreate program. So I'm going to add the link here in the description of this video. Now, this is time when we can explore the options, what is available in form of customization option. So I'll show you only new things in addition to default WordPress things. So first of all, I have headers to show you. So you can edit the header elements using the header options like landing page header, and the header that you are going to use can be edited using the Elementor Page Builder. Elementor is very easy to use page builder, and you can work with Elementor like you are working on a Word file. So it is again a non-technical thing. You don't need any developer support for doing all these activities. You can simply start customizing your content. Like this is header area, you can simply click on the pencil icon, then change the logos, the elements that is visible on the header, right? So it is all simple. And similarly, we have footer elements area, the mega menus that we can edit. So all can be edited using Elementor option. Get O plugins is another area that we can export. So it is for variation swatches, in fact, for variation swatches and its settings. So and this is coming from the Get O plugins. So you can change the stylings of variations, archive the special attributes and all such things. So we can make all these settings. For product upload area, you have WooCommerce and the products. You can take reference from existing product listing and follow the same pattern. Either you can overwrite all the content following the same pattern, upload your own product, and you'll be able to edit the content. So you might be wondering why this is looking like this. So Elementor is not enabled here. To enable the Elementor on the products or as well, you can simply go to the Elementor and tools, okay, settings in the Elementor, and you can allow the products to be edited using Elementor. So it is very simple setting. I believe you know all these things, but I am considering all type of visitors on this channel. So now the products can be edited using the Elementor Page Builder. It is again going to be super simple. You can upload the inventory, the pricing, and all those things that you wish to show in the product area of your website. So like Elementor is loading and it may take a while. Okay. Now this is the shop listing. I mean the product listing where you can change all the details using Elementor Page Builder. So if you are uploading your product at your own, I mean from press, uh, it is recommended to use the default page builder, not the Elementor one, because Elementor is basically for page and posts, so not for products, in my opinion. However, you have all the options, right? So next, I can see what is next here in form of new navigation. Nothing is here special. So Pullingo setting, which may be the theme settings, theme options. Okay, it is very simple again. So we have default templates, the shop product template or the shop archive. Only two settings that we need to do here, and you can go for the style and templates and for its elements like what you want to display, grid, list options, space, padding and all. So wherever you want to edit, you can enable the things, remove the things, and you can enable and disable the modules everywhere in the template that is being used at your website. And for editing the main content that is visible on the front end of the website, you can simply open the page and start editing with Elementor. So it is simple. You can hover on the respective area that you want to edit, and Elementor can help you. The navigations of Elementor can help you in editing the content. What you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image and almost same length of text content that I will use in the demo content, so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website, and rest things are going to be super simple with the Elementor. So you can change everything like titles, images and all that you wish to change, and these are coming from the product grid. So all products filtration can be here, and you can select how many products you want to show here, and all these elements can be edited simply. So the documentation is also a part of the theme, just in case if you wish to check the documentation, it is here, the link is here. So you can open the documentation and get a reference from the guides, and like I'll show you the documentation as well. So this is the complete documentation for 5 unique demos, and you can follow the documentation links. It can be mainly helpful if you are willing to change something special like theme customizer option, site general, site identity, and the site skins and all such settings can be done by following the steps mentioned in documentation. And overall, we are here to help you in case if you need any support. So what you need to do, just follow the video description link, and the buy links has been given in the video description. Go to themeforest.net through the link only. Yes, that is an affiliate link. Buy the theme, and in the $59 you are going to get the quality check by Envato, the future updates, 6-month support from the Venus Web, who are the original developer of this theme. And in addition to this, we are going to help you in every manner in completing your website through our iCreate program. So it is all for you. When you are buying the theme, just keep in mind you have to follow the links given in the video description, so that you may reach to the correct place and buy the theme. If there is any discount is applicable, you'll get the benefits. Okay. So just in case if you have yet not taken the domain and hosting, you can go at WP Themes website. Again, links has been given in the description. So select a suitable hosting plan. All great hosting providers like hosting the cPanel based hosting plans can be availed there, and you can start building your dream website. And this is going to be amazing with Pullingo, since it has got a very unique design and style. So you can launch your fashion store website within a day. I believe if you are having ready content with you, you can launch your website quickly. So in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website, and I am sure you are watching the video series coming on the channel about WordPress troubleshooting. So this is uh, that is going to help you learning basic things, basic troubleshooters of WordPress website. And in the next video, I have something good for you. So let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. Thanks for watching.